if I told you China's ZTE just dropped a phone that's basically a sneak peek at the iPhone 18? Stick around. This is GadInsider, and we're diving into the ZTE Nubia Z70S Ultra. ZTE's new flagship is hitting the US, and it's got a feature Apple's saving for the iPhone 18. Wanna know what it is? Let's break it down. ZTE doesn't always bring its phones to the US, which is a shame because they've been killing it for over a decade. But the Nubia Z70S Ultra is coming to America, Europe, and beyond. This beast rocks a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, up to 12 or 16 GB of RAM, a triple 50, 64, 50 megapixel camera setup, and a massive 6600 mAh battery. Oh, and it looks like a legit camera from the back. ZTE even sells a retro kit with physical controls for photo nerds. Now let's talk about the real star, the display. It's a 6.85-inch AMOLED, 144Hz refresh rate, 2688 by 1216 resolution, and get this, no camera cutout, no notch, no punch hole, no dynamic island, just a clean, uninterrupted screen with super slim bezels. How? The 16 megapixel selfie camera hides under the display. Yeah, under display tech isn't new, but ZTE's making it look mainstream. And here's the kicker. Rumors say Apple's working on under-display Face ID for the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. So this ZTE phone is like a crystal ball for Apple's next big move. Here's the wild part. The Nubia Z70S Ultra is cheaper than an iPhone. You get a zero-distraction display, flagship power, and a camera that rivals the best, all without breaking the bank. Want a taste of what Apple's cooking for 2026? This ZTE phone is your ticket. Plus, it's a gorgeous piece of tech. Look at that design. That's the ZTE Nubia Z70S Ultra, and it's got us hyped for the future of smartphones. What do you think? Would you rock this phone? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider for more tech scoops.